Alright, so what's up guys? No, I'm not dead. I just wanted to make this quick video on what I'm doing at the moment to prep my meals, because I'm currently on a very specific diet plan to help aid in my bulk. So currently sitting at, hold on, let me go see. Alright, so currently the macros are carbs 278, protein 237, fats 69. Total calories is 2698. So that's like the first initial bulk plan, and then we will every like 2 weeks up the calories a little bit until I'm hitting around 3200 normally. That's the goal. I obviously don't want to lose too much definition or like too much of the abs, just because I want to stay relatively lean enough to where I can see what I still need to work on. So, but yeah, real quick, I will pop up the meals on screen now. These don't have to be in this specific order, except for meal one. Meal one is the only one that's time specific. Say I work out in the morning, after meal one, then I just plug in the post-workout meal then, and then finish all the other meals after that. So meal one is the only like set in stone meal. Meal 2 through the post-workout meal are all interchangeable, so I can change those at different points in the day. But yeah, that finishes out at about 2700 calories. So I am only 5'8", so I do not have to eat an absolute shit ton of food to grow. I've been growing pretty consistently on 2500 calories, so 200 plus right now is a decent step up. I can already tell my body's getting used to it after 5 days of doing it. So yeah, anyways, let's get into it. I'm only going to be prepping meals 2 through 5 right now. Mainly because I make meal 1 in the morning, and then my post-workout meal I will eat when I get home tomorrow after my workout. So all these other meals I'll have to eat while I'm at work. So let's get started. Okay, so in my fridge we already have some things prepared, just because I cook a lot at once normally. So at the moment we have a tub of cooked chicken just in the fridge, and I will just kind of separate that as I need to through the week. And then right here we have 6 ounces of turkey already weighed out, because 1 container of turkey can get me 3 turkey meals essentially. And then down here I also have like rice, pasta, beef, stuff like that, but that's not anything that I'm pulling out at the moment, because I'm going to make some fresh rice to put in these meals. And sometimes the rice will get, like the water will get kind of gross, so like starchy almost. So I like to rinse it a few times just to get it a little bit cleaner. And then there we have 2 6-ounce meals of chicken, and then there's one under there of turkey. So now, while we wait for the rice to finish cooking, we can make the veggies, which I'll do like green beans or peas, maybe a little bit of both, but probably just green beans for this time. And I also have to chop up my next meal for tonight. So I'm gonna do the sweet peas for this one instead of the green beans. Even though I said I was gonna do the green beans, I ultimately decided against it.
It's really cold outside too.
I know.
And I have one water, so
to just dominate these shows, and why not? You gotta give Nathan props here with Romania. But it does make me wonder if he knows he's not going to be able to come to the States to be Olympian. Like I said before, he does have those legal issues, and he does have that criminal background that might prevent him from placing the call-outs he was on the bottom. So they ask him what's